Okay, so let me try. Hold on. Let me
Turn
start for TV. Hold on. Something happened today while I was at work.
Yeah.
And what happened, Mom?
This woman and her 2 children coming down the road with sick, and I'm sitting there. She started to pick my ackee off my tree. So I says, young lady, why you picking off my ackee? This is for the government. It's the government ackee tree. I said, no, it's not the government ackee tree. I plant that ackee tree. It's my ackee tree. Don't pick my ackee tree. If you did ask me, say, ma'am, can I have a few ackee? I would say pick. I said, don't fuck with my ackee tree. You pussy young. For me old, and me plant ackee tree here. And your pussy is young. Go plant ackee in your pussy, make it bear ackee. Then you can bend down and pick that grass. Don't come fuck with me ackee tree. And I'm going to call the police.
So then what happened?
The police came, and the police told her, it's Mrs. Conwell property, you're trespassing. No, it's government place, it's government place. The police says, no ma'am, it is not the government place. This here is the government place, not you. It's for the government, not for the government place. This is for Mrs. Conwell. She's saying, well, we are paying your taxes, the uniform that you have. So the police says, Miss Conwell, if she come back here and picking your ackee, call us and we will come and arrest her for trespassing on private property and let the FDA take her 2 children. I said, you're teaching your kids them to thief. You should be at home cooking breakfast for them and bathe them. Look how them dirty. You let them walk in with them in the rain, vandalism people place for them things that they plan. I said, bitch, go move. I'm a Jamaican, I say I'm a Jamaican too. And them born here, them born here, I say I don't care if them born under you. Don't come here, come pick off me fucking ackee tree. Ackee off me ackee tree and me planted, bitch. You younger than me, go make man give ackee tree, you dance, your ass.